Here we have the auger poles, 1.5-inch bolts for your legs, 1.5-inch bolts for your uprights, and then right here, 1.5-inch bolts for your auger poles.
We got some 3-inch bolts that go on the bottom with some nuts, 9/16 both sides. All you need is an impact with 9/16 and a wrench. We'll go over here. We like setting the tubes up on the one side. We like to put our bolts in from the outside so nobody gets caught with them by their legs or kids jumping off the dock, getting too close. Give me wiggling it around a little bit.
These you'll have to run out before you can put them on.
We like to tighten the bolt up here so the augers are off the ground when we're dragging it into the water, so there's no resistance. You'll see why in a minute. Have the augers off the ground right now and you needed to move it around. It would be pretty tough for one or two guys to do.
You're going to want to go down a foot or more into the sand.
Yeah, do the back. So you see your front sea legs? The bar for the frame is right here. We like to get it right up next to that. Once we set the canopy to the pontoon, we'll go ahead and tighten the 4 bolts. Looks pretty level. I'll go through the different bolts with you. For the canopy, you'll have 4 of these in your hardware bag, which are for your end bars. Depending on what size canopy, 23, 26, 29, you'll have according carriage bolts. Run these from the outside, so once you put your canopy on, you don't tear your canopy up. You can get it in there. Bolts come in from the top, down, and find your hole on your center bar. Put a knot on and repeat till all bolts have been placed. A lot of people are having troubles putting their canopies in, or canopies on. There's Velcros on both sides, front and back. I should say not on both sides, just front and back. Now to tell if you unraveled this right, when we were just doing it, you want these slots to be on each side, on the inside. If you have them on the outside, you're doing it wrong. There's a right way and a wrong way of doing these. So if you take a look at this side, it has little lines. You want that towards the canopy. The way I'll do it, I'll grab it like this so I know my lines are behind. Find a hole in the slot, preferably towards the middle. Stick it through the top, back through the bottom, and cinch her tight. Now if you push on this and it doesn't go anywhere, you know you did it right. I'll do an opposite. Now this one, the lines are facing me. I pulled it tight, and I can push it right off. So just make sure those lines are facing towards the fabric.